welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button and comment down below our video. Click the like button or and then subscribe. Dislike, okay. Today we're gonna show you guys. I'm gonna be right back because I'm gonna go to the kitchen. Why? We're gonna show you guys something very special. It's Jennery's mini store. Here's this. Okay, show them your store. Hey, isa po ya. Here's this. So, also my mama gave me this. She gave you? Your grandma? Yeah. What? Not my grandma, her mama. Your mama. Just mama, because always like when I go downstairs and they make me go down. Okay. And here is Jennery's sweet.
Ikke miapitseni rikkiirarewe Halloween ika Halloween ia karetetteri puepure kareri sissitoa epo kareri tipitipingawe sitoa riror iwewe akawase me papa eve fe parats pui kairara sitoa ge pui ki sap kawe puveror nori wan gavet
Ja Jennery sitoa ju ikke keori. Okay, Jennery? Look, you're on my hand.
okay itsara
Yes, play.
itsara ipukutsara. Can I borrow some money from you? Like $1, okay?
Okay.
And I wanna buy a chips, maybe
Hi, what one do you want of chips?
chips. I want chips. So let's see. I'll get this one, Fritos.
Okay.
How much?
$1?
$1. Here. I don't have any change.
Yes, here it goes. Here they are. So you can.
Thank you. You don't have a plastic bag? No.
So you can use this.
Okay. Thank you.
You're
Bye.
welcome. Bye. I'm gonna eat my chips. No. No. Kaya po ata sa pagkapapata. Oi. Come. Tell them we'll be right back. We'll be right back.
Alright, let's go.
Where?
We're going for a ride.
Where?
Let's go get your slippers.
Bobby, coronavirus.
Oh yeah?
Yep. A long time. You're gonna just wait a long time.
Why? For what?
Cause
Coronavirus?
coronavirus, it's sick and dirty. And
Is Corona a boy or a girl?
I think a boy, and I think it's a girl, just like me.
Oh yeah? A girl.
Yeah,
So
I think.
Corona is a girl.
Yeah, it's like so jelly.
It's like jelly?
Yeah, it's like a jelly, cause
So what were you
like
saying about
jelly.
Jesus' house? What does it look like?
It's really big, and the chair and the chair and the chair and the
So
chair.
there's a lot of chairs inside.
Yeah, so
For who?
everyone can fit
Oh yeah.
for
So when we go to Jesus' house, what do?
We prayed.
We pray? What kind of praying?
Like this. Oven, open oven.
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay.
I'll free you to go.
Have you ever prayed to Jesus?
Yeah, I prayed to Jesus.
And what do you say in your prayers?
I say, make it snow, or it's a giver, buy me presents. It's a lunchbox and my present.
Oh, yeah? Oh, so do you have to close your eyes when you pray?
Yeah.
And why is that?
Because Jesus wanted to me, I close everybody's eyes.
Oh, yeah?
For the surprises.
Oh, yeah? Surprises.
Mom, you remember when we came there?
Where?
Over here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
To fix our car.
We're gonna read.
So what are we doing here, Jennery?
We're gonna record and then we're gonna recycle our car.
Yeah, äijät kiloriäpkettiin. And this is our first time doing this. Okay, hold on.
Did you know how much, Jennery? Yeah. It was too much. No. Answer. Yan na. Safety. Safety booth. Ikaw it? Kaya safety karate po awa. Kaya po yes, boleh rok toys one na rin. Sikre boleh aja. Terlihat respect. Harap. Pipi. Siguro kaya pichi boleh sarang boleh sih. Kakek boleh tahu. Orang kakek karatin. Tahu. Necessary theory book. Saya quality body kit. Oh no! Oh no! Kaya boleh datang nama.
Oh, kaya po fiti.
Yang?
Jennery, po fiti. Meron na tank. Iwe? Okay, let's go. We'll be right back.
So whatever little na toys. Got it? Ikaw it. Aruku, what's up? Ikiraruku kun nan. Atstin. Kura, susatori atapete para nori what's nari. Got it? What's up, kukun? Oh no, I forgot. No bracelets. Look at trust me. Okay, here we are. Goodwill. Goodwill. Pakunangin. So, $2.99. $2.99. What are the sizes? Huh? What? What is that? It's about this door. It's this door. Okay, we will be right back. We're about to go into the store. See y'all.
Jennery, pure markat na toys. Se tuo kaukoista poppo. See Jennery. Yeah, many talks. Shopping it. Apa tak? Man. Buena ngiri. Berat weti di kali itu Jennery. Ya. Ya. Oke, foto.
Okay. We have a lot of stuff.
Jennery shopping one do Mori Rakiotin.
I like those.
Like this one.
I like the heart.
This one.
Yeah, I like all of
Yes.
those.
$5.99.
Mom, I see that paper pictures, and then you can also carry it.
Can we see video it back and it's cute
Yeah, it's cute.
with
I want that.
your
'Cause-
trough.
Yeah, I want always that.
Cute.
Mom, why you didn't send me that?
She also bought shoes, sandal
Yeah, but they're
for
shiny.
her. Okay, what do you say to the vlog?
Thank you, vlog. Bye, bye.
Okay, bye. This what?
This world, you never see it.
Ito ay parero rin niya. Jennery with some more French fries.
Mom, why you say no?
No.
Yes.
I say yes, the border check in the box på McDonald's med busy traffic.
I was to check in the box when I put it ordered it Jennery. Well, Jennery, you should try their crunchy or curly fries. I think nasa sa Saturday ako kakaroon. Men magkurado ka ang register. Iyo ba si CHUUKESE rin? Oh, you should try their curly fries, Jennery. Yeah, I was saying that. Oh. I cannot wait to eat my burger. Me too, I can't wait to eat my french fries. I gotta sit down.
Anyway, you want to get up. Yeah, we got me see the try for the CHUUKESE even. Okay, because my car said no sauce on my burger. Or else, oh,
Would you like some taco sauce and ketchup?
yes, please.
You receive napkin on this drawing side.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
You too, thanks.
Here's my french fries.
Yes.
I want my french fries right now.
Ese hoge sivero sirawi. See?
But it's sweet.
No.
It's really hot.
Be careful. Okay. Did you have fun today?
Yeah. Mom,
Hmm?
I want to ride at my house. Mom,
Okay, now that free food. Kailangan sa fitiran food bank ya.
CHUUKESE tungkula.
Yes, already well. Pun ka kiroriap kyotin kakavorop tois pamit kakavorop French fries. Gavit. Okay, let's go. Jennery, you want burger? Put it on the. No, thank you. Yeah, the tacos done. Check in the box. No. Sagawa viraro get ketchup.
No.
Waka kopara tapara pa. Waka kopa meri bere. Let's eat. Mm. Mm. Esa kopara me to se te va a ver esta copia. Jennery. What's a play get it get away. Jennery, you want sandwich? Jennery, da? That's the taco. Can I sign? What about that? Hey, daddy, curly fries. Wait Amatari sandwich. Yeah, number 2 on their menu. It comes with ketchup, mayo, tomato, leaf lettuce, shredded lettuce, Swiss cheese. No mayo with ketchup. Or paricone. Got it. I'm kidding. I really like the ice cream. To me, I go at that cream. Red men, what's it? This, I'm gonna save it for later. Love it. Pari masuk nonton video. Awak kebesari apa itu? Like, share, and subscribe. Comment. Apa comment po? Siapa kasih what's going on?
Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Para usar sa kapama me upload next video. Seriat pantawin aveo sukosuke no que façon. Era o papazakun o pues que la mareria vika one papazakuzak. Okay, shoot.